Hi, my name is Carrie and I just wanted to share what my experience has been working with Chanel as a tutor. It has been a remarkable one. Being new to programming and feeling so unsure about what have I signed up for? If is it even possible that I can succeed? Like it seemed so impossible at the time, and I am just thankful to God that He orchestrated and organized everything in such a way that I would have had this encounter with Chanel. It has truly been a magical one. She is so patient and she's good at what she does. For me, I particularly needed assistance with Python, programming in Python, and she took the time out to go through activities with me line by line, explaining why she would take this approach versus that. And that's what allowed me to be able to replicate and apply the knowledge to other assignments. It has really been a good experience, and I'm very thankful for how kind and patient she has been with me. And I would definitely recommend her to anyone if they're seeking a programming tutor, because of the fact that she's very knowledgeable about the subject area, and she's very patient, and her communication skills is excellent, and she will be taking the time out to ensure that you understand what is being done. And that for me is just remarkable. Thanks again, Chanel.
Want to hire my tutoring services? Just email me at theequinnpublic@gmail.com. That is theequinnpublic@gmail.com. Let's make your experience the experience of a lifetime.